Hey there, fitness fanatics. Welcome back to my channel, where we share all the tips and tricks to help you achieve your fitness goals. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best types of cardio for fat loss. Cardiovascular exercise, or cardio for short, is a fantastic way to burn calories, increase your heart rate, and of course, shed those stubborn pounds. But with so many types of cardio out there, how do you know which ones are the best for fat loss? Let's dive right in and find out. First up on our list is high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT, the holy grail of fat-burning cardio workouts. HIIT combines short bursts of intense exercise with active recovery periods, pushing your body to its limits. This type of cardio increases your metabolism and keeps it elevated for hours after your workout, helping you burn fat even while you're at rest. Next, we have the classic cardio exercise that needs no introduction: running. Lace up those sneakers and hit the pavement, because running is a fantastic way to torch calories and shed those unwanted pounds. Not only does running improve cardiovascular health, but it also engages multiple muscles throughout your body, giving you a fantastic full-body workout. If you're looking for a fun and effective cardio workout, look no further than the humble jump rope. Jumping rope not only improves your cardiovascular fitness, but also helps to tone your muscles and improve coordination. It's a low-cost and convenient option that you can do anywhere. Plus, it's an absolute blast. Hop on your bike and let's talk about cycling, another incredible cardio exercise for fat loss. Whether you prefer hitting the open road or cycling indoors, this low-impact exercise will get your heart pumping and torch those calories. Cycling is great for all fitness levels and provides a great cardiovascular workout while being easy on the joints. Let's dive into the wonderful world of swimming. Not only is swimming a refreshing and enjoyable way to get your heart rate up, but it's also a full-body workout that engages all your major muscle groups. The water's resistance makes each movement challenging, helping you burn calories while being gentle on your joints. So grab your swimsuit and make a splash. Like and subscribe for more health and fitness content.